Drink, Oz, if you're thirsty. You thirsty? I will kick that cat's ass if he touches you. I promise. That cat over there won't touch you with me right here. He knows better. Milky Jojo. Milky. I'm eating a burger. I think the birds want something to stand in so they can get into the water. We got tons of stuff, but I don't know what should I put in there. Should I put a branch in there? They're thirsty. You can tell they're thirsty. I know it's like not the best. I'm drinking water. Been there for 3 days. Should I do that cinder block over there? Maybe you can find the cobblestone. I know I put most of the cobblestones around the fire pit, but I don't know. We'll see.